Hey guys, now I'm gonna show you the things that we're going to do on how to DIY repair our speedometer in our landcruiser 1991 80 series. Problem, our speedometer is not functioning well. The pointer is not stable, so I was trying to degrease the cable. We hope that after we doing that is our speedometer is going to work already. Okay, already remove all the screws here. Also remove this dashboard here. Then now I'm going to go here under the chassis, so here to access the main screws of the cable to pull it out. Okay, come on, let's check it out. This is the screws or the bolt of the cable of the speedometer. We will going to remove this. Okay, now we use this this one, this vice grip. Okay, we'll use this one, screw this one. Okay, but we need to be careful to remove this kind of it's okay now. You know, I'm not so professional in doing mechanical job here in the car, but I'm trying my best. Instead of doing this to the mechanic or into the workshop, I'm doing it by myself to save money, you know. Okay, I'm doing this to save money, to save time, right? Okay, now it's okay, it's already removed. Now we will going to remove this cable from the hook. This one, we're going to remove this from the hook itself. I think it has 4 hooks. Okay, see, this is the hook. So we're going to remove it like this. Okay, still after we will use some pliers. Next one. Now it's okay from there. Now we will next this the hook there, the red one. We will going to remove that. Okay. Now it's totally removed from here. Now we will going to remove from the dashboard. Okay. We're going to remove it from here. It's already removed. Just we will going to pull out there on the dash and the engine bay. Okay. Here. Oh, there's something stuck. We figure out where how to remove it. Okay. Gotcha. Okay. Gotcha. We've already removed our speedometer cable. Now we will degrease it. We hope that after that our speedometer is working good already. Okay. Now we will degrease our meter cable. Okay. First, remove this one. We will pull it out. Ready to remove. Okay. We will going to take some tissues, wipes, all this cable, all the parts of this cable. Remove all oil or the oil grease that they put. Then after we will going to put some better. I will soak it first in the rubber report. Remove this oil, the oil. Unlucky, our double report is having issue. done. Now it's good. Now we will put grease now. Our grease is this one. Multi-purpose. First of all, we will use gloves to avoid too much mess in our engine. It's easy to put some grease in there. We will rub the grease here. Rub Rub until it's done. Okay? Don't think about how many grease you put. Just put it as well. Because the grease is so very cheap. How much is one? How much this one? Just think about that you put grease on the surface. Don't grease any surface here as well. Okay? Now all is good. We put grease on the surface. This cable. Now we will put this now. We will insert here on the cable housing. Okay. Take the end point, this one. Then we will insert. done. Now Okay, see you. I will update you later. Okay. Now we will going back there on our car. It's coming, so we need to be fast because our place is not covering by the sun this time. Okay, now we put back the cable. Okay, folks, we're here again. See, put it back. Cable of our speedometer. Okay. We'll remove some dirt here. Remove some dirt. Okay. Okay. Then give it a look. It's okay. Now we will tight now. Now we need to be sure. We will check first if it's rotating. Check first if it's rotating. We will do a little check. It's not because the car is not running. Now we will put it back. Put it back. Put it back, you know. Okay. A little tight. Should be. Okay. Now we will go there in the dashboard. Whew. Now it's okay. Our cable is already here on our dashboard. See, I'll show you right there. Now I'm going to insert now here on this. Okay, done. All the hose is insert already. Now we will go to try it. And now we will going to test drive our Land Cruiser. Speedometer cable installed and repair. Now we're going to start our engine. Okay, one click only. Now we will test our Land Cruiser. Hope that it will work very well. Our speedometer, it will work good, and we will pass the MBBI or the car registration here in Tabuk, Saudi Arabia. Okay, see you guys. Check it out.